I have my Okuma Solilo rod and my Pflueger Trion Ultralight. I have 4-pound vicious panfish monofilament. This rod, I broke 2.5 inches off the tip of this rod yesterday. So this video is basically a test of the repair of this rod. So let's see if we can catch anything. I believe I already know. That was current, I do believe. I'm in like a really high current section. So I might not really be able to feel what's going on because I am in that high current area, but we'll see. And I might not get any hits in here because this is where everybody launches boats or kayaks, really. Most of the kayaks and canoes, you could probably hear there are people that are coming down the river in canoes they must have put in a different spot. But yeah, this is a launching area for canoes, kayaks, that kind of thing. And all I'm doing is I'm just casting, kind of fan casting different sections of this. And we will go like on down that way at some point. I'm just casting into like deeper pools that I can see. With these polarized glasses, I can see it's deeper right there. So, do that again, good boy. Missed him, but that was a hit. What it is, I've got, even in that deeper pool, there's quite a bit of current. And so I'm not feeling the hits like I would normally. But that's all right. And there's a bit of wind that's coming across this way. So it's casting, when I cast, it's causing when I cast, it's causing my lure to my bait to cast that, to go that drift that way. And that's a chub. All right, buddy. That's all right. They're fun to catch too. I'm not, a lot of people go, oh, this fish is a trash fish and this fish is a game fish and yada, yada, yada. Oh, he got away, but that's all right. I'm an equal opportunity fish catcher. And I can feel a slight difference in this tip. I mean a really slight difference. That's what I'm talking about, a little bit of fight. That's a little bit nicer fish too. I think that's a bass. No, it's a bigger fall fish. Larger fall fish. And they keep falling out of my hands. They're slimy as all get out, sorry. We're testing a rod. Any fish will do. I've not seen any difference in casting ability or anything of the sort here. That was a decent looking fall fish. I saw him break off. It's all right. Got him. Is that a little panfish or another little fall? It's a panty. Good. My favorite buddies. I love panfish. I'd rather catch these fish than any bass or catfish or any other kind of fish that's out there. I love these fellas. More panties. Now I'm using a number 4 hook, which is, a lot of people would say that's a really big hook for fish like this. People get all bent out of shape about the size. That fish will hit it, and mostly I've caught them on 2-aught worm hooks. Whoa, that's nice. That's a pretty good fish. It's sunfish, I'm pretty sure. But it's a lovely one. Hello there. You're the droid I've been looking for. Look at that big old... Look at that big sucker right there. Beautiful. Well, I've had a slamming good time, and this rod has performed perfectly. The repair was a success. The reel has run smooth all day. I've had a lovely day on the water. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.